Kiva. I'm here from Path Resorts, and I'm here with Karen Bassett at Wayfair Coffee Roasters in downtown Laconia. How's it going?
It's good. Thank you so much for having me.
No problem. Thank you. It's beautiful in here. It's actually my first time here.
Thank you.
I love it, and not my last, for sure. How long have you guys been open here?
We've been open 6.5 years.
Wow.
Yeah, 2015 is when we opened. So yeah, 6.5 years. Almost 7.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's been a while. We've expanded multiple times since we opened, and now we have this beautiful marketplace where we can feature a lot of local vendors, which is really, really neat for us.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
And I did see that you have a huge event coming up. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
We do have a huge event. We are hosting the first ever New England Coffee Festival right here in Laconia. It's going to be throughout all of downtown. We're going to have 3 main venues. One is going to be at the Belknap Mill. There's going to be a vendor expo, an art swap. There's going to be pop-up cafes, live music, food trucks, all in that area. And that's going to be a lot for coffee consumers, coffee professionals, and a lot of community events there. Then another area is going to be the Colonial Theater, where we're going to have a lot of speakers, workshops, panels, really for both coffee consumers and coffee professionals to come and learn. A lot of takeaways, hear stories, be inspired, gain tips and tricks for your cafe, for your coffee business, all of those types of things. And then our third main venue is over at the Laconia train station, where we are going to have an outdoor adventure experience, where we're highlighting a bunch of local or regional, outdoor recreational opportunities here in the Lakes region.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Wow. So it seems really intricate. And I noticed on the listing that you had on the website that you have a Latte Art Throwdown.
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about that? 'Cause that seems really intriguing to me.
Yeah, so Latte Art Throwdown is just a really fun community event where, you've probably seen one of your cappuccinos or lattes with the pretty designs on the top. But really, the more beautiful your art can be is a really true testament to how well your skills are as a barista. So it's really a showcase for that. So do you steam the milk properly, getting that microfoam in there? And there's so many different designs. People can go crazy with these types of things. But it's a community event. It allows people to get together. But it is going to be just a fun competition where it's going to be a blast. So it's really who can make the best art.
Right, and I can't wait to see that.
Lattes. So it'll be fun.
Awesome. And you did mention that this is community-based, and I know that this is for coffee drinkers, but as well as coffee producers too. Mm-hmm. Do you see a good mix of both coming?
Yes, absolutely. And because we have a lot of the community aspects of it, like indoor and outdoor activities, it doesn't matter if you love coffee or you like tea, or if you're it's definitely an event for the family. So it is for everyone. You can hang out all day, and there will be something to do. So
that's great. And it's not just the coffee beverages. You mentioned that you had food trucks coming, so there's going to be food and other beverages as well.
Yes, absolutely. And samples all over the place. It's going to be really neat. And we, in the coffee industry, there's a lot of trade shows, and but that's geared so much more towards coffee professionals. So bringing people to this area is such a neat opportunity to bring both coffee professionals and coffee consumers, and really trying to make people understand the industry, to make it seem like something you realize it's a global industry, but yet it has become something that brings your own communities together. So that's what we're here for, coffee and community, and we've become kind of that hub. And now downtown has really grown because of that. And so I think that a community event like this is a lot more accessible. It's a lot more approachable. We don't want specialty coffee to be scary or to be intimidating. We want it to be it's a focus on quality and where you're sourcing it, because you're helping these communities in other countries. And we're also helping our own community here. So there's so many tie-ins like that.
Yeah, that's amazing. I'm really looking forward to the event. Can you tell us more about the event, the dates, the timelines?
Sure. So the event is May 20th and 21st. It's a Friday, Saturday, right in between Mother's Day and Memorial Day. And we're going to be, the day before is a lot of setup, but there's also a VIP, kind of a welcome mixer, a networking opportunity, and we're going to actually host that right over here at Defiant we're going to be closing down Canal Street.
Oh, wow.
And doing all sorts of fun activities there. So that requires a 2-day pass. And then on Saturday is when the main event happens. So basically 8 to 4 is going to be the biggest schedule of the events. And again, there will be events happening throughout the city like simultaneously. So you'll kind of get to choose your own adventure on that day.
That's awesome.
And kind of see like, do you want to go watch a show over in the Belknap Mill? Do you want to go, all sorts of things like that. So but that, if you want to get into any indoor activities, that requires the 1 or the 2-day pass. And then if you want to go do anything outside, those are all open to the public.
That's amazing. It's great that it's so widespread and you're not just stuck in one location.
Right.
You can really go and explore the town and the
absolutely.
offerings.
And that's what we wanted to do. Like, I know that sometimes when you have big events, you bring in a lot of like carnival type activities, and this we wanted to highlight what's already here. So in this area, and bringing local food trucks, bringing in like Highland Mountain Bike Park, and bring them here to be able to showcase they're going to have a ride zone and things for kids and demonstrations and stuff like that. So
that's amazing. And it is labeled as the New England Coffee Fest. Do we have other states coming?
Yes, we have tons. So we have a few dozen speakers coming, but they're coming from all over. They're coming from Rhode Island. We have speakers from Connecticut, from Boston, from Burlington, Vermont. So we really are trying to draw the larger New England coffee community to this area, and trying to design it so that they stay the whole weekend. That's one of our big goals. So.
In doing so, we're hoping that the guests come and stay the whole weekend. And at Path Resorts, we have 3 different packages for each of our properties for the Coffee Fest.
Awesome.
So
I love it.
Yeah, we're going to be offering 10% off the accommodations and then 2-day passes per reservation. So
awesome.
We're hoping we get some guests to push over this way too.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
we're excited.
We have loved our partnership with Center Harbor Inn for years, and it's beautiful. You go up, it's breathtaking, and we've always loved that. So it's neat to be able to see that those partnerships extend like through activities like this and events like this, and so it should be a win-win for everyone.
Oh, definitely. So. Yeah, your coffee is definitely the highlight of the continental breakfast over at our inn, for sure. People rave about it.
That's awesome.
Anything else you want to discuss about the event coming up?
If you want more information, you can always go to our festival website, which is newenglandcoffeefestival.com. Follow us on social media to learn more about all the events that are happening that weekend. You can get tickets at the box office right here at the Colonial Theater, as well as through our website. So go ahead and check it out. Awesome. And we hope to see you in May.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.